Brian tries eating a side salad from a pizza parlor.
With ranch dressing.
Ranch dressing?
Ranch dressing. You've had a salad before, right? You had a salad?
I think I have a couple of times. It was never pleasant.
All right, well, our first item, Brian tries eating a pizza parlor salad with ranch dressing. So here's what you do. Okay, you gotta toss that crouton back in there. You got your cheese on here, you got olives, you got croutons, pretty basic stuff. Got your ranch dressing. You're gonna learn to love ranch, I'm telling you.
It's not gonna happen.
I'm gonna toss this in that trash over there. So here. All right, there we go. There's also some tomatoes, some light tomatoes in there. Get a good bite. Get a good bite with some croutons, some olives on it.
Olive. Wait.
Make sure you get the lettuce too. Get that crouton.
Trying to get my crouton, you know what I'm saying?
All right. Not so bad, right? It's good.
Okay, crouton. Let's try some lettuce. I don't think the olive is gonna go well.
Oh. Olives are mild. You're fine.
Wait, I don't want the end piece with the little tassels. Let me get a mid piece. This is a goat's eyeball.
Right? It's not bad. No, it's fine. You're psyching yourself out.
Well, there you have it.
And?
Oh, tomato.
What do you think of the ranch?
It's harmless, I guess.
Harmless?
But I don't enjoy it.
There you go. The ranch is harmless.
Okay, tomato. But people don't like eat tomato like this, do they?
I do. If you're a tomato connoisseur. Yeah.
This just tastes like leaves.
Not bad, right?
It's not good. I'm not vomiting though.
What do you compare this to?
Trash.
You know what? It's honestly a pretty decent pizza parlor salad, as far as these go.
Well, honestly, not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Right?
But, 0 out of 10, would not eat again.
Ever. In your life?
No, what's the point? Honestly, I thought the ranch would make me want to barf on contact, but surprisingly harmless.
Maybe you actually kind of like it.
Yeah, okay, so didn't gag once. Go figure. Alright. Well, you know what time it is, folks. Time to like, subscribe, and comment.
Down below. Go ahead and smash that notifications button so you can hear about our future videos.
Hit us up.